Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Venom. It's gonna be step by step. I don't know if this is for beginners, but this is pretty. I'm gonna walk you through it, so I would give it maybe a beginner to intermediate level on this version of him. And yeah, he's gonna be at a side view, and I'm gonna try to throw a lot of detail in him for this one. All right, that's why I'd say for intermediate. That's it. Let's get started. Okay. First thing I'm gonna do here is get a good marker. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. But stick around to the end because I'm gonna, I am going to do something that'll pull it together. So, the drawing itself. So first thing I do is I'm gonna start with the front side of his face. Basically, you're kind of near the eye area. It was really the front of his head. I'm going to pull out a bit right here for the lip because he usually has lips. And then I'm going to pull like back here and pull up here like in a smiley kind of line way. I'm going to keep moving this line back now that I know where that smile's going to go. And then pull it back here. It's kind of rolling down over here the back of the neck. Out here in for the teeth. Actually, before we do the teeth, I'm actually going to go into his eye. Sometimes you can make the eye touch the edge of his face, and then sometimes you can kind of make it in here, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it in here. Like it's not going to be touching, so I'm going to pull up a bit here, like a line up. Down here, up over here. And so what is the rhythm of that line? There's not much of one. You can draw a curved line up. You can draw a wiggly line up, which I kind of prefer you do that because Venom is a little bit chaotic. Not as much as Carnage, but his eye shape can change, right? Pulling down here, underneath, and I'm just going to curve into here. So that's just the shape that I posed. Normally it's anything wiggly going up, curving down, and that's usually the way I keep it. Line over here for the side of the mouth because there's some skin right here. This is all skin. When like a lizard opens his mouth, the light went off. There's like some skin on the side of the mouth. Like if you ever look at a lizard or a crocodile or like look at renditions of dinosaurs, they tend to have this skin flap. I'm not sure what it does, and I'm actually not even sure what it's called because I do know it has a name, but it is a really weird name that I can't really tell what it is. I can't remember, I mean. Down here for another tooth, I want the teeth to curve kind of like they're coming forward a little bit because I think that's a little bit different than I normally do. By the way, there's a bunch of different Venom tutorials on here. If you want to go check them out, go check them out. I have a lot. Please go check that out. There's a Venom playlist, so I'll probably link that in the I'll link that below in the description. Okay. As it reaches the top, I'm going to throw the gum line in here like this. See that? Up here. Down over here. And same thing. It's kind of this bursting out effect. Alright. And maybe one right here you can see like in the back, a teeth trying to poke out. I'm going to pull down here. And I'm going to have a curve in here. Normally I would curve it in, but I'm going to curve it like this direction. Kind of makes it look a little horrifying in a way. And I'm going to add some teeth down here. I don't know why the markers I'm using, they're all like dying out on me. There we go. This is a decent marker. Same thing, pulling, finding these teeth is important here. Finding that bottom lip here, pulling down, curve over here for the chin, and I want to find the back of the jaw, like a, you know, kind of curve down. So now that I have this open thing, now we are gonna find the tongue. I'm gonna curve in like a, put this thing, you can go nuts with it like I just did. Alright, it's gonna be a long tongue. So we're gonna pull back right here, and I'm gonna follow it all the way down like a I don't know, like a train or something. I don't know, you're gonna follow the trail back. But try to keep it like, yeah, hitting that tongue. Go over here, pulling in. Kind of that split in that tongue there. And now what I want to do is I want to draw these little, kind of little wrinkles everywhere. So stuff like this around the eye. I want it to have like a little wrinkle, like it's pressing in there. Throwing in some dark over here because you would see the back side of his jaw on that far end. Right here as well, a little wrinkle here. And we're throwing little wrinkles instead of just coloring his entire, you know, filling in everything is black because he has a black outfit. We're just throwing these little lines here of detail, almost like he's in a more lit up area. Right here, gives it a little like creepier look going on there. If you do like it, if you're still watching this, absolutely give me a thumbs up. That helps the channel out. And don't forget to subscribe if you like learning to draw. I go over everything on this channel. So yeah, join in. Putting in these little notch marks here. It's almost like cross hatching because, you know, the tongue itself has like a porous like thing on it. It's like porous, so it's gonna have some sort of texture like that. And that's it. There you go. That's Venom. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed that, let me know what you think. Don't forget to say hi to me in the comment section if you can hear this right now, and I will reply back to everybody that does that. Talk to you later, all right? Stick around for the announcement. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.